Welcome to the K&N Typhoon air filter unboxing. Let's just get right into it. So what's greeting you on top here is this paper bag. It's got some various bits in. 2 K&N stickers, one white, one black, because racism is dead. It's got the installation instructions. It's pretty straightforward, but it's all laid out here for you. Just showing you how it all fits together there. Any tools you need. Instructions on how to remove the old air filter and put the new air filter in, which is very detailed and very handy. Luckily they have put picture instructions as well, because if you are one of the people that bought this at full price, the chances are you are too stupid to read. And here's the guaranteed horsepower increase sheet. A lot of stuff written down there just about tests and things. And that's their proof for it there, so not bad at all. According to this, it has gained 3.58 horsepower since the K&N Typhoon air filter install. Whether that's any real life difference that you can feel, I would be very surprised, but who knows. On paper it works. And there's their 1,000,000-mile limited warranty, which was struggling to focus, so I decided to smash against the camera. Anyway, putting that one side there, having a look what's underneath here. Loads of packaging, why not? There's some Jubilee clips and a, what is that called? Like a bracket there. That's just for fitting, obviously. Here's a top tip. You can use this brown paper after unboxing to wipe your tears after you realise you spent £300 on an air filter. There's some rubber things that I can't think of a name for, but they basically attach either side. And here is the shiny red pipe. Now you can get this with a red pipe or a chrome pipe. I went for red because, as we all know, red is faster than chrome. And the air filter itself, it's pretty hefty. It is actually bigger than I thought it was going to be, which is a good thing, isn't it? Here it is next to a Pepsi can, because why not? It's the only thing I had near me for scale. So it has got a bit of heft to it, as you can see. I don't know why I'm using the word heft a lot, but it does. I can pick it up with one hand, that's how cool I am. But still, it's pretty big. The red pipe and the massive air filter is absolutely essential if you want snapback wearing vapists to gather around your engine bay and nod. If you think this kit with the red pipe will make the ladies want to touch your red pipe, then you're absolutely wrong. But if you want your car to sound a little bit louder and have 3.58 more horsepower, then this could be the kit for you. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, and if you didn't, why not subscribe?